Our Henan Shengmao Machinery Co Limited, established in 2019, is a professional engaged in the research, sale, and service of concrete batching plant, cement silo, concrete pump, brick-making machine, asphalt mixing plant. We are located in Zhengzhou City, Henan Province, China, with convenient transportation access. As a supplier of construction machinery, we know the importance of product quality and after-sales service. We are committed to ensuring product quality, fast and thoughtful after-sales service. We have a professional sales team that can solve various problems for customers and can also formulate product solutions according to the specific needs of customers. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE certificates. With these years of meticulous service to customers, our products selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Southeast Asia, Europe, North America, Africa, etc. We also welcome customized orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Henan Shengmao Machinery has always been committed to taking customers as the core and doing its best to provide high-quality products and services so that customers can use it with assurance and comfort. Welcome to contact us if you need anything.